Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a course in the Brilliant application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you can choose a course in the home page if you want to, or you can just look down below in the bottom of your screen and select there the second option, which is courses. And here you can find a course to your liking, and you can just press on view path, and now you can just press on start path. And after that all you have to do is just press on start lesson, and now you should just go continue and select here the answer basically and press submit. And as you can see that in this case the answer was correct, and you can just press continue down below and solve basically the other questions as well. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.